What's up, guys? It's Jose over here at Yeehaw Cowboy, and today I'm gonna teach you how to clean these Stingray boots. So first, guess what? You can't use any reptile exotic cleaner. You can't use any exotic skin cleaner for Stingray boots at all. Alright, so all you can do is, first let's get here first. So you do want to clean this part, obviously, like the leather part here, all that dirt that goes in there. So what I do with that, I do use this luster cream. It's just a leather cleaner. I'm sure you guys can use it as well. And then I just go in here, just go in there, just kind of go in there. It's okay to get a little bit on there, it's not gonna really hurt it. But the chemicals, if it does, say you put it on the actual skin, it will mess it up. You gotta be very, it's not gonna do nothing to it if you're just cleaning the welt with it. Just get in there, do the heel. So it's a neutral color, you could say, the cream. Oops, sorry about that. You can also use it for the heel as well, probably with a towel or a brush. I'm just gonna get in here real quick. I have to do it quick. I don't want those chemicals sitting in the actual skin. It's not gonna affect it like I said the first time, but it makes them nice and clean in there. Let me do the heel real quick. Since I'm already started, whoops. Makes it nice and shiny, actually. Cool. Alright. Just gonna buff it out. Cool. Alright, so that's nice. Came out pretty nice, the inside. On the next video, I'm going to show you actually how to fix the Stingray boots. So I'll make sure I'll tag it on that second video. For now, we're just cleaning them. Alright, and now the hard part. So, guess what I used to clean the boots? Just a towel. And just wet a little bit. And just clean them. You also can use a leather cleaner for the top of the shaft, but remember, no chemical stuff on the actual boot itself, on the actual Stingray skin. So that's how you do. That's how you clean the Stingray boots. Just with a damp towel. That's it. See, it looks pretty good already. Perfect, right? So remember, you can use the luster cream on top of here, or any leather cleaner on top of here, on the welt as well. Just make sure to wipe it off after. And then just use water, a damp towel, just scrub off. And on the next video, I'll show you how to fix them when the beads come off, the little balls, or the color comes off. Alright, see ya.